All right, guys, longtime supporter of the channel, Bits and Bits, has become a FESTOOL dealer. And to celebrate this, they gave me this beautiful $600 OF-1400 plus FESTOOL router to give to you guys. Now, Bits and Bits has been such a wonderful supporter of the woodworking community, and by proxy, you guys have supported them by using my discount code for their router bits and supporting other channels like Jay Bates, whose sticker is also on here. And that is just incredible. So I am so pleased to give this router away on behalf of Bits and Bits. There'll be a link down in the description to a Gleam page where you can sign up. You can get extra entries by visiting certain Instagram pages and things like that. You don't have to subscribe, but it would be really appreciated because, like I said, Bits and Bits has been a huge supporter of the community. They support lots of channels, and it's a small family-owned company. So I'd much rather support them than Jeff Bezos or some other big mogul. Guys, thanks for watching. Hit that link down in the pinned comment to enter the contest. Stay safe in the shop. Have a wonderful day.